Hey Nature Squad, it's your girly, Nature Girly, and welcome back to another video. Today, I am going to tell you how you can become a straight A student in school. And the first option is just write in different pen colors for different information. That simple. Yeah. And if you're not allowed to do pen, do pencil colors. Wow, right? And then the next option is when you have an assignment to do, you start right away. Because if you have extra time, you might not only be able to be finished with it or be able to have extra free time, but you could also edit the thing you wrote, so it can become more better and maybe less wordy. And number 3 is that don't only read books at school, read them for fun. Reading books for fun could introduce you to a lot of new words, which could help with a lot of school projects. Because new words, when you memorize them, you could use bigger words and better words for description. And the next option is use technology to help you. Using technology to help you is a great way of learning just because technology can help you. You're probably like, what? Yeah, you could study on technology and all that, which is number 5. Just stay focused on your own project, your own work. This could help improve your grades so much. Because if you're copying other people's answers, they might get bad grades too. Because some people get bad grades, some people get good. And doing your own work and studying could help you get to an A, maybe even an A+. Number 6. Wait, what is number 6? Number 6. Work on school projects at home if you have to. Working on them on home could bring you a lot of freedom and peace to your mind, which is very focusing. Which is bringing us to number 7. You can play music or listen to something, because that helps you focus a lot more than you think it will. Parents think, oh, this doesn't help, that doesn't help. Well, it actually helps a lot. Number 7. Use materials you'd never heard of, unless if they're super dangerous. If you never heard of markers, perhaps use them because they could help with different types of projects. And number 8 is that you always believe in yourself. Believing in yourself could cause a lot of focus and peace to your body. That's what you need. It could cause an A too. And number 9. Don't freak out about doing work that is due that exact same day, because you might just end up getting an F. But if you take your time, you will get an A. And number 10. Number 10. Just always believe in yourself. And believe you could do it. Because no matter what you do, nothing is impossible. Now, thank you Nature Squad for watching. If you enjoyed this informational video, make sure to like, subscribe, and share to your friends so they can also get A's, maybe even A pluses. And if you enjoyed this video, also make sure to go check out some other videos, such as my yoga's videos. And I would just like to say, wait, what am I gonna say? I'm gonna say goodbye.